Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use TCGPlayer to check the prices of Pokemon cards. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're at your local card shop and you're wondering whether or not a card is a good deal or not. How do you actually go ahead and use TCGPlayer to check its prices? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you want to go ahead and get the card and the name of the card. So for example, let's say that you see a Latios 203 at your local card shop and it's selling for $30. So you get the Pokemon and then the card number, and then you go to TCGPlayer and then copy and paste it into the search bar. Next, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the card. Now don't think that the listing is at $13, okay? You want to keep in mind the market price, but you're going to click on the listing. So the market price will give you an idea, but a better idea is actually going ahead and scrolling down to the 3-month snapshot and then clicking on view more data. Once you click on view more data, you're going to see this option right here that says latest sales. So as you can see, within the past week, this has been selling for $40 plus. So if at your local card shop it's selling for less than $30, it might be a good deal. But with that, I'll usually scroll through this sales history snapshot and I'll look at the different types of cards that have been selling. So here we have a lightly played, here we have a Japanese mint, here we have a Japanese mint as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check the prices of Pokemon cards using TCGPlayer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.